Olly the Train.
5 race cars use this big garage to park in. Number 1 is the blue car. The second car is red. The third is yellow. The fourth is brown. The fifth car is green. Today, Olly the Train and Emma the Turtle will escort these cars to the airport.
Hi, Emma!
Hi, Olly!
Let's call the race cars over!
Olly presses the button. The cars leave the garage and line up on a clearing.
Where are they going?
To a race! The cargo plane will get the cars to the racetrack.
Wow! A racetrack? That must be where the races happen.
Everyone is ready. Olly is in front of the line and Emma is at the back.
Let's go to the airport. The plane is waiting for us.
The race car line is driving down the highway one by one. Suddenly, 2 cars, the yellow one and the green one, decided to race right on the street. They are both gaining speed. The yellow car hits the curb, overtakes the green. Oh no, there's a pothole ahead. Boom! It's an accident. The yellow car is damaged. It can't move. The front fender and the rim are bent out of shape, and the tire popped. The line has stopped. We are going to need a mechanic. Time for a tow truck.
I'll stay here. And you, Emma, take the rest of the 4 cars to the airport.
Okay, Olly.
That's right. They need to get going. Or else, 4 race cars will be late for their flight. This is a tow truck. It has a big boom on its back. It uses it to load damaged cars onto its platform. The tow truck turns on an orange warning light. Then it puts down its outriggers to stabilize itself. This means it won't flip over when loading the car. The boom is extending its telescopic cylinder. The loading begins. It loads the damaged car onto the platform.
Now, the tow truck will bring the yellow car to a mechanic.
The mechanic removes the busted fender and puts on a new one. Then they replace the rim and the tire. We are done. The race car is good as new. We can go to the airport.
Remember, kids, you can't race on the highway. It's dangerous. That's what specially made racetracks are for.
At the airport, the cargo airplane lowers its ramp. The race cars enter the cargo hold. Number 1 is the blue car. Number 2 is the red. Number 4 is the brown. Number 5 is the green car.
Number 3, the yellow car. didn't make it in time for the flight.
That's right, Emma. It's at the mechanics, being repaired. Then we need to take off without it.
Wait! Hold on! We are here!
Hooray! They made it!
Number 3. The yellow car gets into the cargo hold. The ramp is raised. The engines are started. The plane is ready. It makes its way to the landing strip. Speeds up and takes off.
This is great! All 5 cars will take part in the race at the racetrack.
Have a safe flight!
There are all sorts of objects in the clearing. Kids, do you know what they are called? That's right. These are geometric shapes.
Oh, I know. These are blocks.
Yes, these geometric shapes with a volume are blocks and spheres. They are also called solid geometric objects.
That's right, Olly. Because these shapes have a volume, which means they take up space.
For example, you can use blocks to build a tower. Olly, what do we call the shape that looks like blocks?
This shape is called a block.
Olly and Emma, what do you think? What shape does the block look like?
Like a square.
That's right, like a square. Just remember that a square is one side of a block and is a plane shape, while a block is a solid. How many sides does a block have? Count it for us, Olly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now let's think. What shape does a sphere look like?
Like a circle. Oh,
That's right, like a circle. Remember, a circle is a plane shape, while a sphere is a solid. What objects look like a sphere?
A ball. An apple.
balloons.
That's right. Good job. Now take a closer look and tell me, what's the difference between a circle and a square?
The square has corners. The circle doesn't.
That's right. They have a different number of corners.
A square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's the difference between a sphere and a block?
They have different corners.
That's right. The sphere can roll around. A block has corners and stands still.
And we can build a tower out of blocks.
Exactly. Good job, you two.
Wow! This is the head of the caterpillar toy.
And here are its parts on wheels with different colors.
And every detail has a number.
Let's put them together.
All right, then we'll have a long and pretty caterpillar. One.
Two.
Great! These parts stick together because they have magnets. Three.
Four.
5.
Eight.
Phew. Emma, that's wrong. We need to put the part with the number 6 here.
Oh, my bad. Here's the part with the number 6.
7.
Now, the part with the number 8.
Only 2 parts left. 9.
10.
Done! All the parts with the numbers are in order.
Let's go over them one more time.
Let's count. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
Hooray! We got it all right! We made a colorful and long caterpillar.
And look how fast it moves on wheels.
These are the new car garages. Every one of them has a spot at the top for a number from 1 to 8. Olly the Train and Emma the Turtle are driving down the road. Emma is bringing over the numbers in a trailer. Together with Olly, they are going to put the numbers on the garages.
We're finally here!
Now, we've got to put these numbers in order.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the numbers are here.
That's great! But the car carrier hasn't brought the cars over yet. He doesn't know the way. What do we do?
Emma, I'm gonna go show the car carrier the way to the garages.
Okay, Olly. And then we'll put the numbers on.
This is a car carrier with an open trailer. It has a strong engine. The car carrier has a big trailer that lets it carry a lot of cars at once. The cars get on the trailer on this special ramp. The ramp closes. The car carrier starts its engine, which means it's good to go. Time to get moving. Olly the Train will show the way. Let's go! The blue car carrier keeps up with Olly on the highway. It passes by cars going the other way. A storm is coming. It starts to rain. When it rains, the road gets slippery and you can't see as far. You need to be careful, and it's a good idea to slow down. There is a sharp turn ahead. And there is no warning sign "Sharp turn left" on the road. The car carrier hasn't slowed down. Olly the Train slowed down, didn't lose control, and made the turn. He turned around to warn the car carrier about the danger.
Stop! Stop! There's a sharp turn!
Oh, the car carrier lost control, drove off the road, and got stuck in the mud. The car carrier keeps spinning its wheels, digging further into the mud. What do we do?
Hold still! I'll go get help.
That's right. We need to use a strong tow truck. Otherwise, we can't get the car carrier out of the mud. The tow truck moves slowly until it starts stretching the cable. After the cable stretches, the car carrier starts moving too, and the tow truck pulls it out of the mud. Great job! Olly the Train and the car carrier are back on the highway and are ready to keep going. The weather cleared up. Now their trip will definitely be safe. And we finally put up a warning sign, "Sharp turn left." Olly and the car carrier have finally made it.
Emma, the car carrier brought 8 cars.
That means every car will have its own garage.
The cars are driving off the trailer. Now, Olly the Train and Emma the Turtle will put the numbers on the garages.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hooray! Now every garage has its own number.
And every car has its own garage.